Ooh, good morning! Today is the day we are finally leaving to London. Roos, high five! Good boy! Good boy. I'm going to miss you. Bye bye, Lotus. Bye bye. I'll see you in Spain.
Is vrijgemaakt op de E313 van Lummen naar...
Okay, we just arrived. Now we need to find our way to the hotel. Okay, let's have a look inside our room. Let's place that over here. Okay, so we are in Bayswater. We have a clean double-sized bed with a view on the church over there. Pretty nice, pretty cozy. It does the job. Here are pretty nice bedroom. You have some nice flooring over here. It is pretty clean. That was the small room tour. It is tiny, but I think it will do the job. We have an air conditioning, a TV, we have Wi-Fi, so I think it's time that we go exploring in London. We have found the first parked spot, the Ferrari 812, super fast, a clean blacked out spec, V12. Sheesh. The fact that this car is just parked here casual in the street. You can find a lot of surprises here in London, in the side streets. Such a clean, iconic looking car, and then just casual. Another Taycan, blacked out over there. A red Aston Martin, you don't see that often. Lamborghini Huracan STO from Kenshin. I don't know how it calls. Just beautifully spec. And then just casual. Another Urus in a purple kind of blue. Pretty nice combo here. We get 720S, GT 720S, and a P1 sneaky over there. And then another 720S. Casual passing by. We are walking a lot of miles a day. Luckily, I did a lot of leg day in the gym, so I'm pretty fine. Here we have found the McLaren GT, one of the newest supercars from McLaren, in a pretty classic blue color. It's pretty nice. We are still on the hunt for that Aventador, so let's have a quick look around the block. I think if I just have a quick glimpse. Yeah, I think we found the Aventador just a few miles over there. But before we do that, I think we have to have a quick look to this big V12 weapon that is over here. And this one is orange, so it has more of a priority to us. And without saying quite more, you can see this weapon over here. Oh man. A full orange Lamborghini Aventador SV. Just parked casual in another side street. And I think it's clear to say that this is not a stock exhaust. You can see why the number plate is a weapon. This one also is a roadster to enjoy those sunny days here in London. And with just a bit of time, we found the Lamborghini Aventador Roadster, which looks oh so nice without the front number plate. Camera has a bit of difficulties to catch that black on black. You can see it a little bit better. But I mean, people in London are the best in speccing blacked out cars. These are also very nice specced with the orange brakes. And this is already the fourth Aventador we've seen today. There's also just a 488 Anuras over there, and then just the GT3 RS just around the corner. Those V12 never get boring. So here you have the 488 GTB, and then over there two Urus. At the Connaught Hotel we have just two Porsches chilling, the GT2 RS and the GT3 RS over there. Take a look at that beautiful Porsche with the green headlights. Here this beautiful baby blue GT3 RS with the Weiss Sec package with the golden wheels. Looking pretty clean over here. We have just a small lineup of cars. We have Ferrari 430, then we have Ferrari 355, followed by a Lamborghini Murcielago, orange wheels, orange spec, Ferrari 360 Modena, pretty nice Ferrari that. Followed by the Ferrari 458 Speciale, and another 488 Pista. Pretty nice spec also. A lot of colorful colors over here. And then just casual, another baby blue Lamborghini Urus and another McLaren GT. It's been an exhausting day, a really tough day, but we managed to see a lot of cars, and now we're just going to have a quick lunch and then head on home, because tomorrow we have a really big video and we got to get up a bit early, so I want to be fresh for that. Okay, that was an heavy day. It took us almost 1 hour and a half to get here with the metro, but we arrived, and I think we'll just have to round up today's video. We'll have to get up in about 5 hours, so I'll see you in the next one. Peace.